Hello, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. This is Rozani. Here's a quick way to make Santa ornaments by using a jar lid. This is a pickle jar lid. I added some hand lotion to it first before putting a template on top of it. Some people need to have instructions, but it's so easy to do. So, for the purposes of this video, I've made a little template and I just put it on the inside right over the lotion. The lotion's going to keep it from sticking and it's going to make it easier to come out once it dries. Now here I'm using the liquid starch and I'm making the little cheeks and the nose and the eyebrows. And I placed them right where the numbers were and I'm patting it down nicely. Dampening it with the liquid starch, and it holds it in place. Okay, so we're going to work on the mustache now. Just make these little strands, twist them, dampen them, and add them however you like. You can put as few or as many as you want. Next, I'll add twisted strands for a beard. Add as many of these as you like. The main thing is to have fun while you're making this. You decide how you want it to look. This is a fun project. You can make them in any size that you like. And different characters, of course. I'll be glad to answer any questions if you have any. Just leave them in the comments below. I'm using dollar store paper napkins for this. The least expensive or cheapest work best, but you barely dampen them, otherwise they're going to dissolve, but they are great to work with. You could also add hair around it if you like. Now I'm going to indent a little hole for the mouth right under the mustache. And I really enjoy arranging the strands, so I continue doing that. You can make the mustache and the beard as thick as you like. So I'm just having a good time doing this. And you will too. At this stage, it's rough. You can leave it like this or smooth it out later if you like. And I'll cover it once again just to secure things in place. And I'll let it dry. This little fella has taken me a little under 10 minutes to get to this point. I used a pencil to outline the features before continuing to add more details. Here he is. And now I'm going to peel this off of the lid, and it'll come right out quite easily. Just go all the way around. You don't even need to do that. It'll pop right out. And there you go. And then you could put him right back in to finish working on him. So at this point, he could be painted or you can add more details. You could smooth him out or leave him in the rough. If you would like to learn how to smooth out the surface, here's what you do. Please visit my playlist for more projects like these. Let me know what you think. And if you like this type of content, please give me a thumbs up. Well, I've had a lot of fun. I hope you have too. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.